Good morning, it's Monday, time for coffee. And today is Monday, as I mentioned. So my mom is coming into the city today. So if you're interested in seeing what we get up to for the rest of this week, consider watching this video and also subscribing. I don't know if this is going to be one big video or if it's going to be multiple. It depends on how much footage and what we get up to. So yes, my mom is coming about mid-afternoon. So it'll depend upon how long it takes her to get from the airport to my apartment, because sometimes it either takes 10 minutes, like gate to my door of my apartment building, or else sometimes it takes like multiple hours. So it'll see how long it'll take her to get here. So other than that, not really much going on today, just because that's the one big event. I was going to go into the post office, but it's actually a holiday today. I forgot about it. So I guess we won't be able to do that today. So maybe I'll have to drag my mom and she'll have to carry my packages with me. But yeah, so anyway, that's what's going on. I was going to meet my friend later, but it turns out that they're going to have brunch in Queens, which is too far away for me to do anything. It just takes too long. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have time to meet up with her. Other than that, yeah, I'm just tidying around. I don't know if you can hear my robot vacuum knocking into the walls, but that's what it's doing right now. And then I also cleaned the bathroom before my shower and stuff like that. So breakfast is leftovers and coffee. Lunch today is a salad and I have my final strawberries. Okay, I have a couple of birthday presents from my friends from yesterday. Obviously, the biggest present was spending time with them and having fun and kind of being able to go to mini golf because I've been wanting to go. But this was from one of my friends. She got me Fenty Skin because she knows I love skincare. She said she was having a hard time deciding between the two options, but she was like, I think you're gonna love this type of cleanser better. So she got the one that has the melt away jelly oil formula, just because she said the other one's like a foaming cleanser, and I was like, I think I have the foaming cleanser full size. And I was like, you're definitely right about me and loving that type of cleanser here. So this is quite nice. I'm very excited for this. And then my other friend got back from a trip to London, so she gave me these. This is the Victoria Eggs tea towel. It has like, I was like Queen Elizabeth, but they actually do have the end of life date here, so that's kind of interesting. At least I know it's a brand new towel. And then she also gave 3 hand creams here, the white, iris, and amber hand creams. So very excited for this. They look fancy schmancy. So my friend who got me the hand cream got very worried because we were talking about my weird allergies yesterday at dinner, and I was like, no, don't worry about it, it's fine. Because I was like, I'm quite allergic to like coconut oil and sweet almond oil. She's like, oh my gosh, did you read the ingredients? And I was like, I think it'll be fine. I was like, hand cream usually doesn't bother me. It's just like if I put it on my face or anything. But this should be fine. I'm looking at the ingredients now. It doesn't have any of those things that I'm sensitive to. I was like, honestly, it's fine. I was like, I sometimes eat coconut and it's fine. I just get a weird itchy tongue. And I was like, I have an itchy tongue right now because I had tried some of that birthday dessert. But yeah, anyway, that was quite exciting. My mom is in the Lyft coming here because she knows I don't do Uber. She should be here any minute actually, so I gotta get ready to buzz her in. So talk to you soon. Oiling the hinge. Hudson Yards. Showing my mom here. I don't think she's ever been here before. So you can't go up into the vessel anymore because of the suicides, but you can go in the middle to take a look. It's luckily not too hot today. It's like 4:45. My mom's only request was Uniqlo, but we're here on Amuji now. This is new. They're kind of nice. 3 speeds, or 2 speeds actually. This is new too. I never knew they had sportswear. Prices are pretty okay actually too. It'd be nice for the home cafe for later. Strawberry one, matcha latte. Uniqlo. Going to kill some time in Whole Foods before the matcha full pickup. Clever, they have the originals and then the refill next to it. It's stocked with everything. They have the craft makgeolli here. It's on sale. It's in Whole Foods. My mom wanted to see the High Line, so we're going to take the High Line. We're entering right by the Hudson Yards. You can see that umbrella. That's the Hudson Yards one that they put up a couple of weeks ago. Kind of windy now. That's goldenrod. This one is new as well. They must have just been replacing all of the artwork. To the food hall, Pier 57 again. there's Pier 57, which is the newish food hall. There's also like a Google headquarters building in there. Figured we all could find something here. Crowded today. Holding down the fort for my mom. Got some fancy sparkling water. It's unsweetened organic tangerine with tea botanicals. This is the burrata salad from the Good to Go. So this is the James Beard Foundation award winner sort of featured area. Oh, it's chunky.
I know it is good, but it is not.
This is the potato dosa. The beer place. So this is the rooftop park, and the market closes at 8, just so you know. It's 8:15 right now, but the park is still open for a bit. Take an elevator. If you zoom in, you can see the Statue of Liberty. Let me try to show you. Up there is Hudson Yards, and that's the edge where the people are on that platform. The sun is setting. More space up there. We're headed to this boozy ice cream place before we go back to my apartment for the night. Okay, we're on 12th Street. Okay, so this is where we're going. It's on Little 5th Street.
Take care with the paper on the...
There's paper on top. Here is a mini haul of what we got at the Whole Foods. So picked up these maku. So this is the makgeolli, the American one. Haven't tried it, so figured we would try it out. Also got the Saratoga chips. So these are like the original kettle chips. So went to Saratoga Springs, picked some up, and they also had them at Whole Foods. And then they're also getting rid of these, but I don't have any breakfast food here, so my mom needed something. So they have these, the granola minis, cookies and cream. They're going to be canceled or not longer in the Whole Foods, so pick these up as well. And then from the matcha full pickup, got 2 of their chia bowls. So one was orange blossom and the other one was chocolate. And the person was like, oh, we don't have any pastries left, I can give you one. So I said, no, it needs to be like at least $16 worth of value. So ended up getting 2 of these because they're each about $8. I don't know if I'd pay $8 for this, to be honest, but for the $5.99 I paid, it's a pretty good price. We're obviously back home for a while, so it's about 11, so I'm gonna go to bed. But yeah, so we actually did a lot today, especially because we only left like mid-afternoon. So we ended up going to Hudson Yards and shopping around. My mom discovered a love for Muji and how much Uniqlo is very different now. The quality of Uniqlo has really been decreasing over the past few years. I think it's as they've been globally expanding and like becoming more of a mainstream sort of store. In my opinion, the quality is kind of gone down, and I can't really find stuff that is like totally my style anymore, because it used to just be very basic and like you could get really good staples and stuff, but now the quality just doesn't feel so good. I don't know why, but it's just something that I noticed. And also the prices have increased as well. I know it's like inflation or whatever, but Muji's prices have stayed kind of similar like to how they always have been, and now it's cheaper actually for some of the items at Muji. But yeah, anyway, so we went to Muji and bought some stuff. I only bought one shirt. Actually, we didn't really buy that much actually. We just shopped around. And then we walked the High Line because my mom wanted to walk the High Line, and we walked down to like Chelsea Market area, but we didn't go into Chelsea Market today actually, because by the time we made it down, we were time for dinner basically. So we went to Pier 57. So the actual like the food market area closes at 8, so make sure that you're there before that. A lot of the stands had actually like almost sold out actually for the day. I was gonna get a plant-based Ethiopian spot, and he was like, oh actually we only have this, but you can add whatever vegetables you want because like it's the end of the day. But I was like, oh okay, it's fine, I'll come back a different day. So the radicchio salad, the burrata radicchio salad, I don't remember what it's called, from the Too Good something. I always get it confused because it's not Too Good to Go, but it's like the stall for James Beard. That one was good, but I probably wouldn't buy it again unless we were sharing it between like 3 people because it's a lot of radicchio. And then I also can't eat the burrata, but the yuzu pearls were kind of interesting. They're kind of like popping bubbles. So it depends on how you feel about that texturally. The dosa that I got was actually pretty good as well. All of the sauces were very different as well. They were quite flavorful, and like a lot of the flavors were really complex actually, which is somewhat different than some of the other times when I've had similar food. Like the green sauce, it had like different like notes, like, you know, like I don't know how to describe it, I'm tired. And then we also went to that ice cream place. That ice cream place was so good. I would highly recommend it. So there's another boozy ice cream place called Tipsy Scoop. So that one is a little bit less classy looking. I don't know how to describe it. So I was trying to tell my mom it because we both went to both of those places. Tipsy Scoop is more like, it feels like you're sitting in like a Dairy Queen, whereas the one that we went to today, which name is escaping me right now, it has 2 names, and that one is a little bit more upscale feeling. It like really feels like you're at a bar, you have like a bartender you're talking to and stuff like that. And then the designs are really nice and things like that, and the flavors are actually really good. They also use top quality or like whatever mainstream sort of liquors, so I believe the Tipsy Scoop doesn't use like ones that are like, you know, the liquors that you would know. That's from my memory. I can't remember fully if they use like the ones that you would know, but I would say I would definitely go back there actually, even though I don't really like sweets or ice cream that much. It was really good, and they came out to be about $10 for like the ice cream that we got. You can also bring home pints, and you can also get the small scoops to go as well. And then what else was I going to say? Oh, I think that they're originally from Florida. So I was telling my mom that maybe we should go there with my dad and my sister before our cruise, because they have a couple of locations in Miami. So that's the update there. I don't know how much of a video this is, so if it is the end of the day and it's going to be a new video tomorrow, see you then. If not, I will see you then as well, because it'll be the continuation of today. So have a great day.